Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm doing the 30-day minimalism game. You may be wondering why the Christmas music? Well, this is kind of my Vlogmas. Instead of really enjoying the holidays, I'm spending it decluttering, and in the future when I look back to this video, I'll remember the situation I was in at this time of year and see how far I've come. Before we get started, a few fun facts. I am in no way a minimalist and might never be one, but I am using this game as a tool to minimize my possessions. You will see a lot of clutter, so be warned, a minimalist nightmare is on the way. I did film this video ahead of time at all hours of the day because I wasn't sure I can keep up with the filming every day and editing, but I made sure the numbers were right. And the things I decluttered had to be things I kept around for a reason and not the wrapper of a candy bar I just finished. So day 1. A quick look at my makeup table that I decluttered before. It's not too bad, a few things that shouldn't be there, but an easy fix. This is a cookie cutter set that is the first thing that's going. My mom is going to take it to gift to a friend for Christmas. Day 2 at my Follow Miss fireplace. I'm getting rid of this sign right here. I realized after getting it that I'm not really in love with the sign, although it's a great price from the dollar store. Same with that sign up there behind the Christmas sign, and I didn't put any effort into placing the Christmas decorations. I just hung it wherever I saw a nail. So, day number 2, done. Day 3, and oh my goodness, look at that monstrosity. It's just a bunch of decor in the storage bins that I didn't even bother to take out because obviously it's a challenge. Those boxes are thankfully empty, just shipping materials because I am trying to sell as I go. The rest is clutter, so I'm gonna pull out 3 things, starting with this ring pop mold and a couple of books behind that. I feel no need to make my own ring pops at the moment or read the book I have 2 of, so they can be contenders for Christmas gifts since they are all brand new. Day number 4, continuing to dig into that tower of clutter. This scarecrow welcome sign can be won. This is also a 25 cents after holiday sale at the 99 cents only store. And just below that is my purse, and underneath I'm going to grab 3 t-shirts. T-shirts and t-shirts for pajamas I have plenty of, so I can do without these. So this is day number 4. Day 5, still digging into that nightmare tower. I'm grabbing that gray t-shirt on top along with these binder clips. Here's a third. I never use them. There's a hole. No need to say why I'm getting rid of this. I could fix this bag with duct tape, but if I fixed everything, it defeats the purpose of decluttering, so no fixing for now. So 3 binder clips, the bag, and the t-shirt makes 5. Day 6, a box from the Tower of Terror and a skeleton duct tape box from my counter. Here are the contents of the box. Now when I was selecting items to declutter, I only saw the bow, skeleton box, and binder clips at first. Now I was thinking, what in the world, that can't be it? I took another look at the items and really thought about it, and realized I was making quick and easy decisions and was blind to everything else. So I picked a few more items out. The box all the junk was in, which I kept because I thought it was cute. I'm counting all the binder clips as 1, something I should have done before, and getting rid of the fake florals with the flowers pulled out, and sharing 2 reusable smoothie straws with my mom, which I'm also counting as 1. More than 6 items altogether, but all for the better. So I'm sitting here watching TV, and this book here under my coffee table on the floor is distracting me because it's had to go for a very long time. I just kept forgetting about it. Some of those papers on my coffee table have got to go also, so May as well get up and do day 7. From this pile, I'm gonna grab that foot spa gadget. My mom said she'd like to have it, so I'm just gonna give it to her. From my kitchen, I have this kitty mug, which I really love, but it has cracks all over it. I don't know what happened. I'm very careful with my mugs and hand wash them all the time, so I don't know why it has cracks in the gloss. Water is seeping through and this causes bacteria growth, so I'm just gonna throw it in the trash. On the top tier of this IKEA cart is Kitty's bed. What I'm looking for is this gnome. I've had him for months and haven't put him in any of my plants, so he can go to a home that can better appreciate him. Now that I'm looking at the whole picture, he looks rather cute in that fake grass amongst the flowers. Letting go of cute things is always so hard for me. The gnome, the kitty mug, the book, the mushroom lawn stake I pulled from the coffee table organizer, some menus and coupons, the petty spa, the arrow with the hooks I got from next to my TV stand makes 7. Bye, Mr. Gnome. Day 8, I'm getting rid of this bow I left behind from day 2. I just don't want to store it. Here's another sign different from the one before hanging on my woman cave door, plus another one of those bows. To the right of the door, I have this end table with this Easter egg wreath. I'm deciding not to decorate for Easter. I'd rather not have another bin full of decor. I'm grabbing those 2 baskets. It's just not a good idea for me to have bins for organizing. They always end up full of clutter. This is random. A pack of Halloween paper napkins on the floor. Going to Mom. See that styrofoam in there? I kept thinking that it's good shipping material, but it's been there for ages. With that, day 8 is complete. Here is everything from days 1 through 8 minus the recyclables. Not a bad start. The pile is only gonna get bigger as the numbers in the day grow. To make more space, I'm gonna pack all these things up and get them out of here. Here are a few thoughts before I end the video. My goal is to downsize on decor. Yes, it's enjoyable to have them, but they are also investments. They are dust magnets, they require energy to clean, space to store, and leads to clutter blindness. Since I had a tendency to make quick and easy decisions, I now know that I must take a bit more time and really think about items so I don't have to go back to the items in the future and make another decision. Old habits of keeping for just in case always pops up, so I've got to work on that. The 30-day minimalism game definitely helps me. Having a set number of things to look for made it more fun and kept me on track. I hope you've had a wonderful holiday so far. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!